In this video, we're going to calculate the force between the two wrestlers. Okay, so let's say we have the two wrestlers here and their masses are 400 kilogram. The other wrestlers have a mass of 420 kilogram and they are at a distance of 50 centimeter. What would be the force of attraction between them? And remember, there is no force of repulsion between the two masses. Here I'm talking about the gravitational force. So the gravitational force is always attractive in nature. So what is the force of gravitational attraction between these two masses? Let's calculate that one. So the given values are m1, that's the mass of the wrestler 1, 400 kilogram. The mass of the wrestler 2 is 420 kilogram. They are the distance between these two wrestlers. Again, we always measure from the center to center. Is 50 centimeter, which is 0.5 meter. You have to convert into SI units. So 50 centimeter is 0.5 meter. And G is a universal gravitational constant. And this is the value here. And by Newton's law of gravitation, the force between the two masses is given by this equation here. G m1 m2 divided by r squared. So all we had to do is plug in the values. G value is 6.67 times 10 to the 11. M1 is 400 kilogram. M2 is 420 kilogram. And the distance is 0.5 meter. And remember, this must be in meter, 0.5 square. So if I plug in the value, 4.48 times 10 to the negative 5 Newton. So these two wrestlers attract each other with a very tiny forces. But remember, there are other the objects too. These attracts too. So as a result, the net force, if you calculate the net force and effective force, would be 0, because there are other person, so each person attracts each other. So net effective force on an individual object would be 0. So this is it from this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.